Millions of years ago, an application called Google was invented, and upon this invention, magical users could download portable network graphics, otherwise known as PNGs. These PNGs made it easy for said magical users to seemingly simulate flight. The best of these magical users could even weaponize the PNGs, some for good, some for evil. Fortunately for the fate of humankind, a young boy was prophesied to bring balance to the PNG universe.
Stop, evildoer! What's your favorite thing?
Grapes.
The young boy has much to learn.
Stop, evildoer! What's your favorite thing?
Money.
Stop, evildoer! What's your favorite thing?
Cheese.
Stop, evildoer! What's your favorite thing? Kiwi! Sorry, wrong one. Stop, evildoer! What's your favorite thing?
Kale.
The most evil. Ow.
Succumb to the wrath of my fireballs.
Stop, evildoer! What's your favorite thing?
Skittles.
No! 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 No!
I'm sorry. I have failed you, PNG boy.
No, I can't do it anymore.
Yes, you can.
No,
You possess all the strength.
I can't be PNG boy anymore.
You're right. You can't.
Thank you, Master.
Go, PNG man. Save
I'm gonna do it for you.
the world.